All right, let's talk about AI. You've heard the terms, right? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. They get thrown around all the time. And if you've ever found yourself thinking, wait a second, aren't those all basically the same thing? Well, you're not alone. It gets confusing. But today, we're going to clear all that up once and for all.
So let's just tackle the big question head-on. Are these terms interchangeable? I mean, people use them that way constantly, in the news and meetings everywhere. Well, the short answer is nope, not at all. But they are super closely related, and figuring out how they fit together is the whole key.
And this visual right here, this is pretty much all you need to remember. It's the best way to think about it. Imagine these Russian nesting dolls, or circles. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the biggest, all-encompassing circle. It's the whole field. Then tucked inside of that, you've got machine learning. And then even deeper inside that, you have deep learning. This simple picture is going to be our roadmap.
Okay, so let's start with that big outer circle, artificial intelligence. This is the granddaddy of them all. It's where this whole incredible journey really began.
At its core, AI is the big dream, the ultimate mission. It's the whole science of trying to make machines that are, well, smart. The goal here is to build systems that can think, learn, and solve problems kind of like a person would. It's all about creating intelligence from scratch.
And this isn't just some sci-fi fantasy. You're literally surrounded by AI. When you talk to Siri or Alexa, that's AI. A car that can park itself. AI. A computer that can beat a grandmaster at chess? You guessed it. Now, the key thing to know is that most of what we have today is called narrow AI. That means it's incredibly good at one thing, but that's it. A chess-playing AI can't, order you a pizza.
So, if AI is the big goal, how in the world do we actually get there? Well, for that, we have to go one circle deeper into machine learning. Think of it this way. If AI is the destination, machine learning is the main engine we're using to drive the car.
And this is where it gets really, really cool. See, in the old days, you'd have to write millions of lines of code with rules for every single possibility. If this happens, do that. Machine learning just completely flips that on its head. Instead, you just give the machine a ton of data, like a massive amount, and it learns the patterns and the rules all by itself. It learns from experience, not from a rule book. And you see this learning from experience thing every single day. Your spam filter isn't following a simple list. It has learned what spam looks like by seeing millions of examples. When Netflix suggests a movie you end up loving, that's because it's learned your taste by looking at everything you've watched before. It's all about using the past to make really smart predictions about the future.
Okay, time to go to the very center of our diagram, the innermost circle. This is where we get to the really cutting-edge stuff, the most powerful piece of the puzzle, deep learning. So, deep learning is a special, super-powered type of machine learning that's actually inspired by the human brain. Seriously, it uses something called an artificial neural network, which has layers of interconnected digital neurons. Information passes through these layers, and each layer gets a little more sophisticated, pulling out more and more complex patterns. It's like having a team of experts, where each one builds on the work of the last.
And the things this can do, it's just wild. Deep learning is what's running the show behind the most amazing tech we see today. It's how your phone knows it's you. It's how AI can spot diseases in medical scans sometimes better than a human doctor. And yep, it's the magic behind things like ChatGPT. It's a total game changer for understanding really messy stuff like images, sounds, and human language.
Okay, let's take a breath. We've covered all three. Now let's put them all side by side so we can really see how they stack up.
This table nails it. You can see the whole story here. AI is the big goal. Machine learning is the how. Deep learning is the supercharged how. But check out that last row, the human role. With ML, a human often has to prep the data and kind of point the algorithm in the right direction. With deep learning, you basically just build the network and let it loose on a mountain of data. The network figures out what's important all on its own. It learns.
So here's the big takeaway. As you move from the outside in, from AI to ML and then to DL, the systems get more specialized, way more powerful, and a whole lot more autonomous. Each layer deeper is a more sophisticated way of creating intelligence.
All right, let's bring this home with a perfect real-world example that actually uses all three of these ideas at the same time. A self-driving car.
This breaks it down beautifully. The big overarching goal to drive a car like a person,
That's the AI part. Then you have machine learning models that have been trained to do specific jobs, like recognizing a stop sign. But what about all the messy, unpredictable stuff on the road? A pedestrian stepping out, another car swerving. That's where the deep learning engine comes in. It's like the car's visual brain, processing all that live camera data in real time.
So, we've gone through the what and the how. But let's end with the why. Why does any of this actually matter?
Well, it matters because this isn't just theory. This progression from a big idea to these incredibly powerful learning systems, it's what's driving the modern world. It is changing everything from how we find new medicines to how we make movies. And trust me, it's only going to become a bigger and bigger part of our lives.
And really, I think this is the perfect thought to leave you with. At the end of the day, the goal of all this tech, AI, machine learning, deep learning, it isn't just about making smart machines. It's about using those machines to make us smarter, to help us solve the world's biggest challenges, and to create a better future. It's about empowering all of humanity. Thanks so much for joining me.